Hi, welcome back to Open Hand Farm. Today I want to talk to you about what can be done in a 15-minute time period. I don't know about you guys, but my least favorite thing to do is to wait. And honestly, a lot of times when I'm waiting, I end up eating, and that's not good. So I have been challenging myself this month that if I have at least 15 minutes between events or between something, I'm gonna try to do something. So this weekend, I was making cookies for one event and I needed to make some other things. I had some just little things that I've been wanting to do in the kitchen. So I decided that between my pans of cookies baking, I would see what I could fit in that time. So my video today goes into that. You'll see laundry sitting on the table behind me. That was 15 minutes and 15 minutes earlier today, but then I had to run out the door, so I didn't get a chance to put them away. But that's okay. That'll just take another 5 minutes maybe when I get a minute to do it. So let's see what I accomplished in between baking cookies. Well, I hope that this was helpful and challenges you to find something to do. I know a lot of times there are these little nagging jobs, at least for me, there are. And I think, I don't have time to do that right now, or I'm not dressed for it, or I'll have to clean up the mess, or just so many reasons. I can come up with the best reasons. But that day I didn't, and I'm so glad I didn't, because I was able to check some things off my list. So if you are able to check some things off your list after being encouraged to do this, then please let me know in the comments what you got done in a 15-minute time period. I'm waiting for my coffee to make right now, so I'm doing a video so that I can sit down and have a cup of coffee. So anyway, I am so happy you watched the video today. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you could share my videos, that would be amazing. Or just give me a thumbs up. That would be great too. Until next time, blessings on you and yours.